Hey everyone, this is Jack from JSVER. Nice to meet you guys. I'll be bringing you the newest and coolest videos from now on. Today, I'd like to talk to you about our shower head. It's a super cool new shower head which tracks the water consumption and displays the temperature of the water too. So, why our shower head? Well, currently, as we know, there are so many water shortages across the globe, especially in the areas of the Midwest. We use water on a daily basis, and we also try to keep a track of how much we actually use. And then it came to us. We make a shower head that can track the consumption of water that we use. By doing this, we hope that people will start to care about how much water we use, and in turn try to reduce that amount. So, let's have a look, shall we? Here we have the LED display. The LED display shows us the water temperature and gallons per minute of water used. Essentially what happens is the water comes up through here and lights up the LED, showing us the numbers. Now most would assume that the LED is powered by, you have to charge it up beforehand, but it's not. It's self-powered, which is pretty cool, right? Yeah, we like to call this our wow idea. Also, we think that being able to see the temperature of the water is a really cool function for parents, because by knowing the temperature of the water, they don't really need to worry about if it's too hot or too cold when giving their newborns a bath. So anyway, yeah, here we have 5 optional modes. The shower head is chrome plated, the spout is super eco-friendly, and it's also worth mentioning that the shower head has been through the 48-hour sea salt spray test, which ensures our product is of top quality. Okay, so that's what JSVER launched in the spring of 2017. A super smart, cool shower head which tracks the water consumption and the temperature of the water too. And guess what? It's on sale right now on Amazon, so get buying. Later on, we'll give a shower head demonstration. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is Jack from JSVER, and I'll see you later. Bye!